Good morning, children. How are you? I think you are fine. I am also fine here. So let us discuss third class English today. That is the first chapter. So in the textbook we have bridging gap activity picture 1. So let us discuss the picture 1 today. See here, this is a picture. I am showing the picture here. Bridging gap activity picture 1. Just observe the picture for 1 minute. I think you are observing this picture. I think you know the picture. See, what are the things are there in the picture? What are the things? See, what are the things means wickets, ball, bat, another ball, building. See, this is a skipping thread. So these are the things are there in the picture. So who are they in the picture? The question is, second question is, who are they in the picture? Who are they in the picture? Here one boy, here also one boy. These are the girls. These are the girls. This is a girl. These are the boys. These are the boys. See, what are they doing? What are they doing? What are they doing here? The girl is skipping. The girl is skipping. See, the boy is playing with the ball. See, these boys are running. These boys are running. See, here these two boys are playing cricket. These two boys are playing cricket. Here also these two boys are jumping. See, they are throwing the ball. They are throwing the ball. See, these are the things happening in the picture. See, what is this? What is I am showing this one? What is this? I think you know this one. That is a tree. That is a tree. Here, what is this? That is a building. That is a building. See here, what is this? See, this is a ball. This is a ball. What are these? Here, three things are there. What are these? You know that one? Okay, good. These three are wickets. These three things are wickets. Otherwise, these are wickets. This is a bat. This is a ball. First of all, observe the picture. So I write some of the vocabulary from this picture. See what are the vocabulary. See what we are seeing in the picture. So I want to write there. Picture 1. See, today 17, this is the date. See now, see first one, vocabulary. See, first I am writing tree. What is tree? Building. Just you observe the spelling. building. Building. Next, boys. Girls. Next, bat. Next, so we can write wickets. See, these are the bushes. Bushes Telugulo aithe Other bushes. Bushes. Next. Next, action words. Next I am writing action words. What they are doing? Running. Action words. Here I am writing action words. First one is running. Skipping. Skipping. Playing. Playing. Making. Making. Throwing. Throwing. Next, feeling. Next action word is feeling. See, the boy is doing, what is he doing? He is feeling. Next, what he is doing? Batting. Next, jumping. Next, kicking. Kicking. Next, walking. See here, vocabulary, these are the things. See, these are the action words. Here, tree, building, boys, girls, bat, wickets, bushes. These are the action words. What are the people doing in this picture? So I am writing their actions. So first one is running, skipping, playing, making, throwing, fielding, batting, jumping, kicking, walking. So these are the vocabulary we taken from this picture. So today just you have to write these things into in this table, like this table. So just I want to write here. Don't confuse. Wickets. Next, bushes. See, where are they playing? Where are they playing? They are playing in the playground. See, first one I am repeating the words here. Playground, tree, building, boys, girls, bat, wickets, bushes. Action words: running, skipping, playing, making, throwing, fielding, batting, jumping, kicking, walking. So right, up to now this class is over. Now I am giving homework for you. Write 2 times in your homework notebook. Then read, write and read. Read also 2 times. This is a homework for you for completion. Send me in WhatsApp group with photo. Thank you.